Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not Reviews, and as you see from the video's title, this is a PR unboxing. I have a bunch of boxes here from different companies. These are not subscriptions. They're mostly beauty items. I figured it would be fun if we unboxed them all together and you get an idea of what's coming up in the works for the blog and things like that. So let's just start with this. This is from a skincare company. I don't know exactly what's in here. But I did know it was coming. Sometimes I don't know things are coming, they just arrive, but I knew this was coming. And I will be doing a full review on this. A dedicated review, I should say. So this is from MD Complete. They have a full range, but this is their anti-age range. So if you're my age, 29, 4 times, I don't know. This might be a good option for you. I am excited. This is, okay, so there's the MD Complete. This is by Dr. Brian Zellickson. This is the Anti-Aging Retinol Vitamin C Concentrate. I have told you guys so many times that I do really, really love using retinol. Personally, I do find a difference, a noticeable difference in my skin. This is the Anti-Aging Eye Wrinkle Corrector. This reduces crow's feet, reduces fine lines, and lifts and firms. And then there is the Anti-Aging Wrinkle and Radiance Remedy Advanced Retinol Plus. So this reduces lines, brightens, and moisturizes. I've noticed the older I get, the more I notice my pores are getting like larger. Is that like strange? Yes, those are my Charlie Brown pants. Don't hate. I changed my shirt for this video too. I was wearing a pajama shirt. My back hurts lately. Like, I don't know what happened or what's going on, but my back really hurts. And I just wanted to have a day where I wasn't running around and being crazy. So, my second, this is from Derma E, and this is how the box came. So this is I'm going to call out my, not my post office, but Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, where all of the mail in southeastern Pennsylvania comes from. This is what I received and damaged. It just was like smushed. And I don't know what comes in these boxes. So I immediately opened it. So I do know what's in here. Thankfully, it's nothing. It's fine. It's stuff that's smushable. You know what I mean? So we have the Derma E Hydrating Facial Wipes. So these are, I guess, are these like makeup removing, or are they just like to deliver a surge of hydration while lifting away makeup, oil, and impurities? So I'll try these out. I'm excited because all of their stuff is all natural, organic, cruelty-free, fair trade, eco-friendly, just really good stuff. So if those are, if I like those, I'll just keep keeping. What's on my bed? Oh, it's on my floor. It's like stuff that I haven't tried yet. Then we usually don't get other things in these little boxes, but this is Regular Girl Probiotic Fiber Blend. These are actually really nice. I love probiotics, so I will definitely use these. I have received these before. I don't know where, but I have tried them before. So what's else is in this box is their masks. So they released a line of like skin masks, and I'm super excited. You will see so many of these. So we have the Derma E. You will see so many of these. I don't mean it like that. I mean, you will see this so much. I'm going to do some Instagram stories, I'm thinking. So we have the Derma E Firming Magnetic Clay Mask. I've never tried a magnetic mask. I so have wanted to. They use adzuki beans and spearmint. So these are small. I don't know if you buy these individually or what. I'll link down below to all the products in this video so you can check them out if you're interested, or what and what not. So then there is the Vitamin C Brightening Clay Mask with turmeric and kale. Turmeric is a skin changer. It's amazing for you. I love that they're including these like really good like superfood ingredients, I guess. Superfood. I use that word loosely. I don't know if any of these are actually superfoods. I think adzuki beans are. And kale definitely is, right? So then we have the Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. I may or may not have tried this in like the full size. Maybe you can buy these, maybe these now, or maybe this is just a sample of that. So maybe now basically these are masks they already have. I don't think so though, because I've never seen them like say like spearmint or anything like that. But now they're just available in smaller sizes. That's really cool. I'll find out. I'll do all the homework on that stuff. So that is that box. Oh, very exciting. I say it like it's a subscription, that box. It's not. You guys know that though. All right, so this one is from, oh, I forget who this is from. We're just going to be surprised when we open it. And where did I put my scissors? I went through, like, I don't always get to go through my YouTube comments, like, right away. I only get through them, like, once a month lately. But you guys are so sweet. I love you guys so much. You're so nice. Oh, this is from number 7. Number 7 is sold at Boots in the UK, but now they're branching out. They're in Target. I swear by their Airbrush Away primer. It's like my full makeup, like when I'm doing a full face. That's my primer I use because it is a silicone based primer, so it has that like very sheen, like it pore filling, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful formula though. All right, so here's some papers about what we're receiving here. These are available, all these products are available at Target, Target.com, Walgreens, Walgreens.com, Ulta, and Ulta.com. So there's that. And then we have this, oh my gosh, look at this box. Look, it's hollow. Oh, so there is, oh no, we're just going to find out. We'll look at that later. How do I open? You guys don't think I'm dumb, okay? Oh, it's sealed. Duh. Silly lady. All right, let's see here. Am I going to be able to open this? Oh, I hope so. Now my mom is calling me. Ah, no, Mom. Go away. Oh. Okay. I would love for this to open. It would be my... Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it. It only took me 3 minutes. Okay. Ready, set, glow. So there's a serum. It's brand new in the US. Okay, so this is the number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum. Glowing, healthier looking skin in 1 week. I love the hollow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so gonna repurpose this box. I don't know what for yet, but... Oh, yay! Oh, I gotta try this out right now. All right, so this is the number 7 Airbrush Away. That's the primer I use, but the one I have is in blue. So this is the tinted Skin Perfector. I'm actually really excited to try this because I just said I love that primer, but I did not, by the way, guys, I did not know this was what was in here. Like, oh yeah, isn't that something? I've noticed that happens. I swear, I never... Okay, so it's a big primer, right? I think the one I have is like that. So, let's see here. Let's peel it open. Oh, so excited. Ooh. Ooh, that is dark. See how it blends out though. Look how pretty. It blends out so nice. Can you even see it? Like, okay, so I'm going to show you. At first I was like, oh boy, that's kind of dark for my skin, but when I blend it in, it's so pretty. Oh, I like that so much. I love satin finish, sheer coverage enriched with skincare benefits. Suitable for sensitive skin. This is in light. I don't know how many shades they have. That's worth looking into, and I will be doing that. I will be doing a dedicated review on this, and I'm so excited. All right, so there are, oh, there's also, hold on, no, there's a medium and there's a dark as well, and they did come in this set. So there's that. Very cool. That's so neat. Oh my goodness. All right, so that was, thank you, number 7. Thank you, MD Complete. Thank you, Dharma E. And thank you to, oh, I know this is REN Skincare. Super excited. So if you're not familiar with REN, REN is a clean skincare company. So not only is their stuff organic, it's nothing, there's no chemicals. Like everything is all natural, nothing scary or owie yucky. Ickies. I got the ickies. All right, so here's a little REN Silken Fevers. All right, there's a little thank you, and then the box is wrapped so beautifully. How gorgeous is this? I'm gonna tear it open like an animal and see what's in here. Okay, so everything is orange always, so that's always great. So this is the Ready Stick Glow using AHA, which is an exfoliant acid, if you guys aren't familiar. So first we have the Wake Wonderful Nighttime Facial. Ooh, how does that work? Arctic black currant seed oil, glycogen and magnesium cranberry seed oil, lactic and glycolic acid, and sodium lactate. Glycolic acid is BHA. AHA is like lactic, I think. So they both do different things, but they're both exfoliants. So how do you use this? This is my... At night, apply 2 to 3 pumps onto clean skin over the face, neck, and décolleté, avoiding the eye areas. Slight tingling may be experienced during the application. If using with other products, apply after your serum and prior to your moisturizer. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. So what does it look like? I want to see, right? So here it is. It's like a little pump. That's interesting. I'm excited to try that. That's a new kind of a product. I've never heard of anything like that. Ooh. And then there is Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Ready Steady Glow AHA Lotion Tonic. Oh, that's in a different language. All right, so this uses willow bark to encourage cell renewal, lactic acid. My son is at the door. All right, I think he's gone. Okay, so this is like a toner. I'm guessing, right? Is that how I'm supposed to use this? I'm gonna have to look. But look at the decanter here. I don't really know how that's gonna work. Okay, so you like push it down and like everything they make smells, is supposed to be like aesthetically pleasing to your senses. Like it smells good. It feels good on your skin, like the texture. Like remember that mask I reviewed? So I'm thinking this, yeah, this definitely has a little bit of alcohol, like an alcohol or some sort of an acid type, not acid, but you know what I mean. I have it on a little scratch and it kind of burnt. So it says this effective skin resurfacing toner will exfoliate and brighten your complexion. I keep rubbing it on, I don't know why. It smells good. It smells like an orange, like has an orange peel type smell to it. Well, whilst being gentle enough to use daily by stimulating the skin to naturally exfoliate. I don't know what I'm reading right now. I can't read is what I'm saying, not the bottle. Lactic acid and willow bark extract work together to smooth tone and help reduce pore size. I need that in my life. While azaleac, I've never heard of that. It looks like it comes from like an azalea. Azaleac. Acid precursor will brighten and help to even out skin tone for the perfect glow. To use, press down on well pump. So that's called a well pump. It's really cool. With cotton pad until saturated. Swipe onto clean skin over the face and neck day and night, avoiding the eye area. Follow with your regular skin. So you can use these in combo and they're going to make your skin radiant. I think I can actually use this in combination with the facial that I received from them a few months ago. I'm super pumped to try this out. I love, love, love their products. I love that they're using things that are non-toxic. That is really important. And not given enough merit these days. All right, finally, I have a PinchMe box. So PinchMe is a free company. They send samples. Everything's free. There's nobody that pays for anything from PinchMe. The thing about it is you don't always get picked for everything. And even for me, who I'm a reviewer, I know some people are like, oh, she's a reviewer. She always gets boxes. I don't get much from them. So it's hit or miss. You fill out some profile questions. If this stuff's for you, they send it to you. If not, you don't get anything. And it happens every first Tuesday of the month. That's Sample Tuesday. I've worked with PinchMe before on a big blogger box they sent out, like to show everybody what was available in the PinchMe boxes. And they do have some great, great items. I actually got a lot this month. This is the first time in a while. So it's completely fair. They're not sending stuff out just to reviewers or anything like that. If you're interested in like learning, like how do you start reviewing, this is the company I would go one of the companies I would go with. In fact, I have a whole list on my blog of companies that I point people in that direction because it's a great way to get samples and start reviewing and start your review life, girl. All right, so first we have Blue Diamond Almonds Mini Nut Thins. These look like they're going to be tasty. Then we've got Kashi Chocolate Almond Sea Salt Chewy Granola Bar. I love Kashi products, so that is exciting. There's a lot of snacks in here this month. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I had used this, I'm going to butcher this poor company's name, Arvazalia. I used their hair mask and their shampoo a long, long time ago. And now this is their Professional Series Hydrating Argan Hair Mask. So this is a deep conditioning mask. I'm very excited to try this. I love hair masks, so that is a welcome product in my life. It's a coupon for Nut Thins. And then finally, ooh, this is something I'm excited for. This is an RX bar for kids. So I love RX bar. It's raw food, all natural, just good, like protein bars, energy bars. This is their kids line though. So everything in here is listed on the label on the front. 7 grams of protein, 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date. No bad stuff. It's chocolate chip flavored. So that is really cool. I'm going to probably, what I'll do is we do bento lunch. So I'll honestly probably split this in half. Give half to each of the girls for their lunch. And then they've got a good, if they have like a ham sandwich or something like that, they're getting a whole bunch of protein. And that's what keeps kids, we were having like big meltdowns at the end of the day. I'm going to go on a little, and they're getting off and they're like tired, they're hungry. And I was talking to my pediatrician, she's like, it's the protein. She's like, because they were eating consistently. Now, I'll tell you, I'm not okay with it, but I was like, as long as they're eating it, because they were throwing their lunches away when I would pack them like a turkey sandwich or something like that. They're like, we want peanut butter and jelly. So I packed them peanut butter and jelly. And what's happening is that sugar, and the peanut butter has protein, but not that much. They're just crashing. It's like a short wave of energy and then they crash. So by the time they'd get home, they were these balls of madness. And the first thing you eat when you get home would be like maybe fruit. Maybe it's goldfish. It's not full of protein. It's another short crash until dinner. So with something like this, you're able to give kids a whole bunch of protein, a whole bunch of energy that's going to give them a lower burn, but like maintaining a consistent amount of energy throughout the day. And that's what we want with our kids because their bodies metabolize and use food differently than we do. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I like things like this, especially for lunches and snacks. These are like the way to go because kids need a lot of protein. So I think this is great. And this is all free. I paid $0 for this. I would have paid $0 if I didn't make unboxing videos. It doesn't matter. I'll link to my reviewer page below. I'll link to every company that's listed here and these products so you can check them out. I love doing these videos for you guys. If you like them, let me know. If not, feel free not to watch, and that's how I will know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.